Time to cook some potatoes. Oregon coast, about 5 miles south from Depoe Bay. Rest area right by the beach. Unbelievable spot. Making some potatoes and Polish sausage. There we go. Polska kiełbasa. Yum! It's coming up. Amazing, amazing, amazing time. There we go. Polish sausage. Oh, smell is just unbelievable. Oh my god. Ocean view. Approaching night. Oregon coast. And here we have potatoes. I didn't have a place to put them, so I just dropped them all in this bag and they will join the sausage and it will be amazing dinner with some Trader Joe's coffee. And here we are, Polish sausage, potatoes. Oh, and we have a slug.
I gave him a little
Apparently
piece of sausage.
He likes it.
He's enjoying the sausage.
Wow. Apparently he is.
See, look.
Oh wow, he's chomping on it.
He's totally chomping.
Huh. Alright.
Good for the dinner.
And now is some time for a pipe after the dinner. Can hardly ever see myself.